This video is a quick walkthrough to show how to sign in to Canva on the Signage Plus platform. First, click on the Create Playlist and find the Canva tab and click on it. If it is not logged in, click on the Connect with Canva button, and the next screen will show the options for allowing your login to connect with Signage Plus. Once complete, all of the folders that are connected to your login should appear and be expandable to view the content that is accessible to the logged-in account, as shown here. Let's take a look at the Canva page to see the corresponding folders and content. As a best practice, it is recommended that a new folder for signage content be created in Canva by clicking on the plus sign and adding a folder. This will help organize content moving forward. Here you can see the corresponding folders that are now showing in Signage Plus. Back on the Signage page, we show a quick demonstration of adding new Canva content to a playlist and deleting the old. New timings will need to be set when the new content is added. For more details on Canva design, visit canva.com. Please see additional videos for more detail on Signage Plus by ScreenBeam.